Backlot AI just hit the market. And if you're looking for an AI tool that can streamline your workflow, optimize your marketing strategies, and boost productivity, you're in the right place. I've tested countless AI tools, and Backlot AI stands out as one of the most promising. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why it's making waves in the industry and whether it's right for you. First off, Backlot AI is not your typical software. It's designed to automate the backend of your digital business processes with ease, saving you hours and dramatically increasing your efficiency. One of the most impressive features is its ability to generate high-quality content at scale. Whether you're creating marketing copy, product descriptions, or blog posts, Backlot AI is built to produce content that feels natural and engaging, all while keeping your audience in mind. The second standout feature is its integration capabilities. Backlot AI works seamlessly with the most popular CRM tools, email marketing platforms, and analytics software. This means that you can automate your customer communications, generate personalized content, and track your progress, all from one place. This integration saves you from constantly hopping between platforms, making your workflow much smoother. Next, let's talk about the user interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even if you're not a tech expert. If you've ever been frustrated by complex AI software that requires a steep learning curve, you'll appreciate how Backlot AI makes it easy to dive right in. You won't waste time trying to figure out how to use the software. It's straightforward, with all the essential tools right at your fingertips. Another feature that really sets Backlot AI apart is its data-driven insights. Unlike many AI tools that generate generic content, Backlot AI uses data from your past marketing campaigns and customer behaviors to craft personalized content that actually resonates with your audience. This kind of AI-driven insight can help you refine your strategies and boost conversions, making it an invaluable tool for marketers. In terms of performance, Backlot AI really shines. It runs fast, processes large data sets without a hitch, and delivers results quickly. If you're running time-sensitive campaigns or need to generate content on the fly, you'll appreciate the speed and reliability that Backlot AI provides. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI software can be expensive, right? Not with Backlot AI. One of the best things about it is that you can try it out for free from the link in the description below. That's right, no risk, no credit card required. You can explore its features and see how it fits into your business before making any commitment. Backlot AI also boasts exceptional customer support, which is critical when you're integrating new software into your workflow. Whether you need help with onboarding, troubleshooting, or just have a question, their team is readily available to assist you, making the entire experience feel personal and supported. To sum it up, if you're a marketer or business owner looking for a game-changing AI tool, Backlot AI is a top contender. Its content generation, seamless integrations, user-friendly interface, and data-driven insights make it a standout in today's crowded AI landscape. Remember, you can try it completely free from the link in the description below. And if you're looking for more great AI tools that can take your business to the next level, I've got my recommended picks down there too. Tools I've tested personally and can vouch for after trying thousands of different software options. Give Backlot AI a try and see how it can transform your workflow. Thanks for watching.